Hey everyone, welcome to Diane's Designs and Boutique, where we teach you how to make beautiful home decor for yourself, for gifts, and even start your own business. Today we're going to make a cute little entryway piece to hold your phone, wallet, and keys. We're going to be using our phone, wallet, keys transfer, one of our door tags, and one 2-pack of our rectangle simple shapes. Here I'm just adding a little bit of wax to the door tag, and I'm just going to dry that a little bit, and then I'm going to buff it with a cloth before I apply the transfer. Now I'm just going to pull the transfer off the backer sheet and lay it on this terry cloth towel to get a little fuzz, a little lint on the back, and that eases the adhesive a little bit to make sure my transfer doesn't stick too hard. These are reusable 8 to 12 times, so this piece would make a great gift. So I'm just going to center that on the door tag. And then we're going to be using a few different colors to put the transfer on. So I'm just going to use a squeegee and cover all that open screen. And I'm going to use the chalk and peel method since I'm using so many different colors. That way I don't worry that the paste will dry in the screen, and we'll just pull it up in sections as we go. The chalk paste colors I'm using today are Dusty Blue and Storm. Once everything is covered, I'll just pull the transfer off, and I'm going to put it back on the shiny, shiny side of the backer sheet, and then I'll take it in and wash it with just plain water front and back. Lay it sticky side up to dry, and then put it back on the backer sheet. Now I'm going to grab the rectangle 2-pack simple shapes, and I'm just going to use my box cutter, and I'm going to score both sides of the board for the exact measurement to make a box to go onto this door tag. So once I have things cut, I'm just going to use hot wood glue and glue the pieces together. So one of the simple shapes I cut all the way lengthwise down the middle of the rectangle simple shape, and then I will use that for the sides and the front of the box. The other one is the bottom of the box, and I leave that hole and just cut it to the length I need. As you can see, you do not need any kind of saw to cut these. If you just score them front and back 4 or 5 times, then they will just bend and pop apart. So now I'm just going to make a messy bow to accent this piece at the top. So I'm using 2 or 3 different ribbons and just cutting them at a not very long length and dovetailing the ends. And then I'll lay those crisscross all together and then use a little 4-inch cable tie to hold everything in place and fluff it out. And we will attach it to the very top through the hole on the door tag, but it will not interfere with the hole. So this piece can actually be hung on the wall or sat on your entryway table to hold your phone, wallet, and keys. How sweet is this piece? So fun. I have made this piece into a complete kit if you want to make one for yourself. So if you want to grab the kit, just message me and I'll give you all the details. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all of my amazing chalk products on charmingchalkart.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.